Hurricane Ida continues to move off into the Gulf of Mexico, where it's expected to rapidly strengthen as we go ahead through today and into Sunday before coming on shore just south of New Orleans along the Louisiana coastline as a major hurricane, a Category 4 storm. If you are being warned on or if you are being told to evacuate, please take this storm system seriously. There's going to be looking at catastrophic wind damage as well as storm surge along the southern Louisiana coast and potentially even over towards western areas of Mississippi as well. One reason why this is expected to come on shore so strong is that it's moving over very warm sea surface temperatures. Not only that, but there's a lot of heat ocean content, meaning that the water's relatively deep as far as these warm temperatures. Basically, what I'm saying here is that you're throwing a lot of fuel on the fire for the storm system to continue to strengthen. And take a look at the model guidance, kind of showing you what this could be looking like as it comes on shore just south of New Orleans as we go ahead through Sunday afternoon into the evening. Right side of the storm, that's the right front quadrant, still going to be pushing that wind and the water on shore through New Orleans, even across Lake Pontchartrain and also into Mississippi and even as far east as Alabama as well. You can be looking at that storm surge too. So if you have any travel plans heading along I-10 from Florida off towards the west, I highly advise against it as this moves onshore through Sunday into Sunday evening. And even over towards Monday, it's still going to be moving towards the north, bringing with it plenty of rainfall as well. Taking a look at the model guidance, these are the spaghetti plots. They're all pretty much in line as to where this could be going. So I know you always want to pay attention to the cone of air, but it does look like the models are pretty much in agreement that this is going to head off towards the northwest, riding along the western periphery of a subtropical ridge anchored just off the east coast of Florida and Georgia. So hurricane warnings are in place out there, as well as tropical storm warnings as far east as Alabama. Also, storm surge warnings in place, as mentioned, at the mouth of the Mississippi, as high as 15 feet, while further inland, you're going to be looking at about 7 to 11 feet. Still very dangerous storm surge, not to mention winds on top of that, which could be causing downed trees and power outages across this area, with some local regions getting up and over 20 inches of precipitation. Now, for the first coast, things are going to stay relatively dry throughout the weekend. We're also hot, but by Wednesday into Thursday, as this moves towards north, a cold front's going to be kind of setting up, allowing some of this moisture to trigger up some afternoon showers and thunderstorms as well. So the first coast, storm will stay well towards the west here of northeastern Florida with that coastal breeze and also some dangerous rip currents setting up, but overall it's going to stay dry with rain not arriving until Wednesday and also into Thursday. I'm meteorologist Robert Spetta.